We've completely stripped the Green Mountain Buoy, done an initial sanding of the topsides with 60 grit longboard paper, and now we're going through, and it's interesting, on both the port and the starboard sides of the boat at precisely the same position, water has worked its way down behind the topsides. This is the top plank on the port side we're looking at right now, and the dry rot has really taken over. We can see that the screwdriver just easily chews out big chunks of completely failed wood, and it goes all the way down to the edge of this board. We can see here that the very edge of the next board has been infected a little bit. We'll try to work around that and not have to remove this board down here as well. Whenever you're making a patch like this, you want your joint to be in between the vertical frame members of the hull, because if you do a patch there, there's no way you can seal it against water infiltration on the back. Our method is to go aft to the point where, here we are on the starboard side, top plank once again, just about the same position fore and aft as on the port side, and you can see that the wood is just completely dry rotted at this point. So we will replace this plank as we are on the other side and create a matching seam on both sides so that it has the appearance of being a factory repair. And actually, just forward of this old joint, the next board is badly rotted as well. And you can see just to the right of RJ's hand the cut we've made, and that's where we will do our splice. Starboard side, where we encountered another major section. The bottommost plank that had been patched before. So what John is doing now is marking the plank. We're trying to come forward enough so that we are in between frame members, but we are also on a good piece of wood, and we'll use our fine multi-master tool to make a clean cut across this plank so that we will replace the bad section and bring it out far enough that we can put a good backing plate behind it. Here comes the fine master.